3083. Hello. Kitchen. Lovely aircon. What's that? Big boiler. We've got kitchen, but no crockery. Oh, we got a couple of cups. One knife. So if you did want to go self-catering, we've got one knife and 3 cups. Fair enough. But who's going to go self-catering when you're all inclusive? First bathroom. That's nice. And the twin beds. Plenty of cupboard space. Plenty of cupboard space. The bathroom, ensuite bathroom. Oh, bath. Ideal. Everything you need. Hairdryer. Someone at the door. Stand by. Stand by. Oh, sorry. Thank you very much.
Yes.
There we go. Perfect. You're a star. Excellent. Thank you. Cheers, George. Oh, there we are. Cases are in. Where were we? Ensuite and main bedroom. Oh, and we got a safe. Safe. Gotta find the safe. Lots of storage. Main living area with balcony. With balcony overlooking the second pool. And it's a balmy 28 degrees or something. We're not allowed up there. Oh well. There we go.